Busia, and then so ya mawa kwaba. I'm also said ya good month Samoa Brewo. Yes, ya bidjuma who can see ya na doso there's a fata sauti in the brew me kwan near the abrow and enkan so gu kakra ne ade egugu no obi o ha obon pa esema ensu no engu obi o so obon pa ese entodin no nya kakra nso na so bu a itwa ne pipe be 3 months ni and my into hiensu bi so ye topa na hwa ya teche etu ompe odu ze nyankopon wo bre pa ba still vim and vogo but say partner se be ye de sa opa bibia gu minimu de a chile yakoyi pa a Mortar Guinness. It's somebody slick can and a Badwam so Mortar Guinness for can one and another pay. There is some idea, bro. Come pa, and yes, some ketwa bet pass so yeah, sponsors and games out on a costo when building a chassis. Obey this carry a good bottom about your bet power. You may yes, ya concona ya de I can see bro and now pay. Yes, Sergio Manocho, Bernard Padibu Tremi producers. Kijuan Cassani, Eric Cassia du Bois, the chassis near a few euros. So say a fair bunny and wrap up the run of 16 games. And of course, Okopima Netherlands and in Romania, we coming and Romania to me and take God the Gakpo was on fire. And I think so no Okopima techie game and more brilliant game by Austin as techie and in Austria is we need the quarterfinals and I set it. But then go and run games in the on a 10 game no I see a coy on the 5th of July. Germany versus Spain and Portugal versus France. Then England, then Switzerland are bought on a 6th. Netherlands and Turkey. I saw the abwenny. Send a route to the city. The winner of Germany, Spain, about the winner of Portugal, France, and the winner of England, Switzerland, about the winner of Netherlands, Turkey. So we have England, Holland, money, and I say a whole tasty new chain. Germany, money, Spain, money, Portugal, and France, more. Yes, and listen in some Swiss yet so a hot animal. Also, I can see live. Badwam so na yenko yenim. Na and once but yanko Mohamed Kudus or West Ham United no sina kan nya sam ketwa kra no their photo shronko na ma obi biara okosku o maimo ono say the a star boy of the Black Stars no na photo de ma student bi ani
on the table you need to be able to read and then understand what you are about before you sign anything, so that is the basic point I'll put it with relating to football, which there are more experts, doing interviews, posting stuff on your socials. It's all part of education and stuff like that. So the basic part I'll put it is education is very paramount in the work we do. So yeah, take it serious as you take football as well, and then it will help you in a long way. Premier League is one of the best leagues in the world, but before I took the challenge on, I was buckled up and then I knew I was ready for it. So, but aside that also, credit to my teammates, everyone around West Ham, because they helped me settle in very well. So, and my family has always been my backbone and my full support. So before I took the challenge, I was ready for it.
Right, and so I know some of my because they told you I nya some kitwa crab but you feeling kopimo or league champions FC Samatex or more general manager Ed Monaka no then some to ja. Actually mo send plans ni city ahead of a new season. Now or more kwakusi Ghana namo the CAF Champions League mo no wo ntimi home kra. So much preseason ase ahead of the Champions League.
The next game is on the 16th of August in the Champions League.
Oh, wow.
So we cannot wait. We need a minimum of 6 weeks, a maximum of 8 weeks to prepare for this, the first leg.
Yeah.
And for that matter, the preseason.
Okay.
So we are camping in the Eastern region, train at the favorite Safari Valley,
yes.
where we have been camping for the past 3 seasons for our preseason. The regulations of the competition requires that your opponent should not travel more than 200 kilometers from the capital. Okay. And then the next available airport is the Takoradi Airport. Yes. But because of the bad road from Takoradi to the Summer Boy, yes, the distance is more than 200 kilometers. And as a result of that, we can't play anywhere near the Western region.
Wow.
Then we have no choice to play in Accra.
Right, I know I had one I can't say more yet to it. Now, if you're in Kopimo, I answer from Vision FC. I'm new coach and an aquajima. And I couldn't summer to just say, or more target, I'm a back on first season in the Premiership on the as I said, I'm a qualify from Division 1, but I'm a new entrance. Now, for some time now, I fought from the bar, Eddie Abacobeko, but I won't pass on come on back on person come. And I Jimmy.
I didn't come here to become a boss because already they have achieved the unachievable, but I've come here to add my knowledge to theirs so that we'll be able to push this vision further. I want to officially congratulate the technical team that brought the team to the Premier League. I have a lot of respect for Hamza and his team, and I promise you that whatever I bring on board is going to amplify already what you have done, and together as a team, we're going to push Vision where it has to go. I know a few faces. The Player of the Year, Che, I had the privilege of traveling with him to UK and then to Holland and Belgium to play in some games, so I know Che very well. I developed this gentleman here, the defensive midfielder. So I know a few faces here and there. To the players, I will tell you that for me, discipline is always key. Time efficiency is also key. I promise you that together with the technical team, we're going to give you the best, and we're going to make sure that you guys are developed to the highest level, and Ghana football will recognize you. To the president of the club, Mr. Secretary, thank you very much for believing in me. Everything and the meetings we've had and all the things that you've said to me really makes me emotional, and thank you very much for giving me this platform to be able to work with able men like this, and we promise you that
Nana Kwakwajimai, Adom will take you a Vision FC, on a Hamza and a Baba Yajuma. And of course, Hamza and a qualified team. Okay, Hamza, where a former assistant coach, the man has a full cabra, some Bodu Edge League. Yes, now on a division, a qualifier, but because of the license, international license A, Nana Kwakwajimai Baba take you over. And Nana Kwakudano and a 17 team, and like Kinson, and the Boyjuma, I want to be unqualified and Corono, on a like Kinson assistant coach, and then on not take you over Vision FC. Or then somewhere to draw warrior brofa restaurant contomere saroni adia jereja sanone sene so see at here and so horom na ye chese be connected to Mr. Patrick Osajeman countryman songo but Mark Show that I say and crying so gugu so rego jama network na twitwi kakra etimo fanchen ne songo stake no ebebu akamuni adia but ye hwede mo say a week here mo e be san dia tum na watimi ahwese ne songo stake and so see at here Bernard Paribotwe. And of course, Sergio Manocho, my producers, Yana Wakai Edin Nankasa Kakejwane Hwe, Erica Siedubwedi. Now, I Pomodion 7 FM and Quatama Clode Twaso. Nina a bedroom so. And TV, no radio TV, Ninko Babia, Hana heavy no, Hana a bedroom no. Because I heard.